Hi, everyone. Brent Wessler here with Kodak Alaris and another weekly post. Today, everything Azure AI and the new Azure AI Document Intelligence framework. We're in the studio, as you can see here, with all the pre-built models, and something new is the custom classification model. And this is released in the 3.1 version. You can see here I've played around with it. Info input will be adding this as a classification option in the 6.4 release. I've come in and added a number of different sample documents. As you can see here, all I need to do is drag and drop. In this case, I have a multi-page invoice. I drag and drop. You can see it's 2 pages. So I'm going to just come in and click on it and tell it what it is. You can define your types over on the right. And as you can see, you need at least 5 documents per type. So I have some hotel bills, HR documents, a bunch of invoices, car rental, etc. And I come in here and I hit train and put in a model ID, AP invoice 2, and confirm and train. This will build me a model, and then we can test it out. So utilizing the classification model, Azure does a really good job, not only classifying, but also splitting the document. And I find it does a much better job than others. So I've already created this model here. So we're going to go in and test that model. As you can see, the model's already built. So we'll drag and drop that item in, run the analysis, and it will tell us essentially what it is and how many pages it is. And if we do it right, it will automatically separate. And as you can see here, we know that it's one invoice that's 2 pages and it's 99.9% sure. Here's an example. We'll take a other binder document that has 2 different invoices in it. Let's run the analysis on that. And in this particular case, it's 2 separate invoices, but I've trained them as 2 separate. So you could see invoice 1 and invoice 2 totally different. And you could see that it recognized that these were 2 separate invoices and would split these particular documents. So this is a great tool for auto learning of classification. It's not limited in any way to the types, document types, as Google has positioned procurement and lending. However, you do need to add sample documents, which is, as you see here, very easy to do. You simply click on it and select your particular type of document, and the system will automatically recognize and process these documents in the appropriate method. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Check for more posts on LinkedIn here. Please follow and subscribe.